my eldest son who performed, and thank you so much for showing your love and appreciation. I really appreciate that also, man. This is just a start, okay? So please stay with us because this second song is still for you guys. I hope you like this. Music!